later we will disassemble the machine from here. This is so after you receive the machine, you just need to move this table to here to this the conveyor of the filling machine, and then fix the bolts from here. Also, you can adjust this part, by loose these screws to fix different diameter of bottles. So now this is for small bottles. You can make it wider for the big one. Yeah, like this. Move it for the big one and the small one. Okay. And then the filling machine, these whole parts, we won't disassemble it until here. We'll disassemble from here. So this 10 corner will be unique. Will be one part. And then it's the capping machine. So you just need to connect them from here. We will disassemble them by losing these bolts. And the other parts we won't disassemble them. And here is the end of the capping machine. End of capping machine. And for the connection between the capping machine and the labeling machine is not fixed. You can just move it. You can see here. Just put them together. Put them close enough to connect them. So this is easy. And also these parts we won't disassemble them. So after you will receive them completely like this. So also one more thing I forgot to tell you. You also have to discharge this rail by like this. I can lose this one screw to move it for different diameter of bottles. I think that would be all.